Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is a gluten-free sugar cookie bread that is absolutely delicious. I started by mixing some melted butter and some white sugar together until that was combined. Then I added in an egg and then some almond extract, which is really what makes this taste good. I love almond extract. And I also added in a little bit of vanilla extract as well. And I will have all the directions and ingredients listed below in the description box and a link to the website where I found this recipe. Next, I added in some milk, which I probably should have let come to room temperature because once it touched the butter, it kind of made it a little chunky. Then I took the dry mixture, so I have some of the gluten-free flour, some baking powder, some baking soda, and some salt. I just gently mixed that together and then added that to my wet ingredients. And I mixed that for a few minutes till everything came together. And then once it was done, I added in a couple tablespoons of sprinkles. You want to kind of gently fold them. You don't want to mix them too much or else the colors will start to bleed. But I just kind of wanted to get them a little incorporated. Then I have a loaf pan that I sprayed really well with cooking spray. Then I added my batter. Here's what it looked like when it was ready to go in the oven. Baked it for a while. This is what it looked like when it came out. I did take a knife and run it along the edges to make sure nothing was sticking. And then I inverted it, put it on a cooling rack so it could completely cool down before I made the icing. So the icing is super easy. It's just a half a cup of powdered sugar and about a tablespoon of milk. And my little helper mixing it for me. And when it was completely cooled, I dumped all the icing on there. I ended up just pouring a bunch on there and kind of smoothing it out and letting it drip a little bit down the side because I thought it looked cool that way. And then you can top it with more sprinkles. This was absolutely delicious. If you love the flavor of almond extract, you will like this. So definitely give it a try. It was so yummy. I wish I had more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.